Welcome again, viewers, to Budapest city centre. We're just doing a wee random walk. I'm on my way somewhere. There's a sightseeing bus. I should have booked that on and off. I'm all over the place here. Google Maps cannot cope with Budapest. It's getting lost all the time. There's a Stiller bar over there. That's a chain. Seen a few of them, of those bars. Here's something interesting for all the beer lovers that I've just found here. Craft Head Brew Pub and Bistro. How exciting. I'm going all the way down this big road. We're going to see what's here. It's getting really windy all of a sudden. Of course it has on cue when I start the video. A lot of these wee bikes going about. I've seen a lot of people on them. Obviously that's far too dangerous for me to attempt. I'm struggling just to walk about there now. Hamburgers, steaks, craft beer, cocktails, what's not to like in there. Open later on probably, too early. Right, let's continue. Having an absolute nightmare with this wind. We'll wait and see if this video even makes YouTube. It remains to be seen. This is just what they call variety street. There's just everything on this street. We've got barbers, we've got restaurants, we've got furniture shops, we've got drink all day bars. See that over there? Drink all day. Interesting. Don't think it's open, but drink all day, don't think it's open. How disappointing, eh? Right, let's continue. Club 93 down there. Wee side streets are always interesting, wee burger place. Some nice buildings here, quite like the architecture. It's a very spread out city, but I've not even touched the base of it and I've been here quite a few hours now. Nice wee ice cream place in there. Too windy for ice cream just now, but sorry about that. Right, let's continue. They've got a very good metro system in this city. Unfortunately I've not used it. I've just been walking about getting lost with Google Maps. What have we got here? Looks as if we've got the theatre or the pictures with the looks of it. Not quite sure. Probably cinema. Yeah, film zone. Okay, cinema there. There is a cinema. Full of information on here. What we're showing Dune. There you go. Tesco Express. I've seen them in quite a few places recently. You'll see my videos from another place soon where you'll see a Tesco Express. How exciting. I'll keep the anticipation for you. Spar as well. I did not expect a Spar and a Tesco Express on the one street. How exciting. Yeah, with Google Maps will just tell me to go all the way down here. I'm turning left here. I'm going to end up miles away from my accommodation. I'm not sure how this is going to end up. A lot of taxis here. Yellow taxis, be careful if you get ones that say freelancer on the side. They can charge whatever you want. They've also got Bolt here. You know the app that's like Uber? They've got Bolt as well. And funny enough, talking about Bolt, look at the name of this shop, Enzo Bolt. Bookshop. My hands are full. The lady was trying to give me a wee leaflet there, but my hands are full. I've got the gimbal on my phone, my left hand, and I've got the wee DJI Pocket Osmo camera on my right. No idea where any of these buses are going. No intention to get on the bus. Prefer to get lost on foot. See? Ah, okay. This might end well. I was actually looking for this place. I'm going to go over and show you it. Off license in there as well. So, doing a wee bit of research, I've not found that many live music bars in Budapest. One thing that does seem to be lacking a wee bit. There's one across the road potentially, I'm not sure. Not sure. Let's go and check it out in a wee second. I'm going to cross over there. Liquid Rock and Metal Bar. Are they going to advertise live music there? I don't know. It's right across from the Bazaar Hostel. Yeah, I was going to cross over, but it's too busy. We'll come back to that one in a later video, right? Let's continue down this way. The Google Maps is still saying I've got 200 metres to go. The city centre of Budapest, there's a lot of traffic, definitely. And I've just came from a very small city, so that's a bit different, but I've yet to find the kind of quiet, small parts. Jewish Quarter at night, it's supposed to be quite good. I've left going there till night time because a lot of the bars and that are a lot busy during the day, so you're better just going there at night. If anybody is watching this who actually lives in this city, give me a wee comment, because I know this sort of video is not for everybody. Normally I've got a purpose in showing you things. There's McDonald's at the end here, how exciting. Quite a lot of these wee ABC franchise supermarkets here as well. If you're here at Budapest for 3 or 4 days, again, it's quite easy to do day trips or half day trips to Vienna, Bratislava. You can get the bus or the train. The Flixbus is the cheapest. The train's quite affordable as well. Got attacked by a pigeon there. Another Tesco's, they're all over the place. Tesco. More chains here. Subway. Quite like a wee Subway. 6-inch chicken. Lettuce, onions. That's no cheese, no toasted. Got Pizza Hut, got Starbucks. Quite a few places here as well. Looks as if we're kind of coming into the shopping area. So I'm going to do a few more videos around here once I actually find something that's interesting. We'll wait and see. I'm just kind of finding my way about here, so sorry these videos are just a bit random. Probably going to have to come back here and do it justice. I don't think this time I'm going to do it justice, to be fair. But I can only show you what I can see. I'm on the way anyway, so I just thought I would take you with me. We've got around here, more chains. Burger King, Magnet, McDonald's across there, Astoria Hotel. Wee business centre in there. Burger bar, pizza place, exciting stuff. Right, I think this has been enough for this video. Hit the wee subscribe button if you want to see better videos on the channel than this one. I can only show you what's here. I wasn't sure what we're going to find walking up here. Sometimes it's a mistake doing these sort of videos. If you've watched to the end, but you're helping the channel out so much, I really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and I need to figure out where I'm going next. I'll catch you next one. Goodbye.